Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another wig from Sunber here. It's a kinky straight wig and it's a Upart as well. So in the box they give you a wig cap and an adjustable strap, but I didn't use neither one because it's a Upart wig, so it has clips in the inside, as I'm going to show you right now, which I'm not used to the clips that much, but I had clip-ins before, so it's a little bit of a learning curve for me, and it has like a little adjustable strap there. Usually when I have a Upart wig, I'll do like a perimeter braid and then I'll sew it down so it could be more secure, because I need my wigs to be really secure just in case the wind blow or something like that, you know, can't be caught out here slipping. The texture of the hair, I decided to straighten the hair because I love kinky straight hair. Flat iron, that's like my thing basically. So this is a lot of hair. It's a flat iron, as you're gonna see. So I put a little bit of heat protectant on there just to make it a little bit more straight, because that heat protectant that I got right there helps the hair. You can see I basically did just 2 passes along the hair. This is my flat iron from Amazon. Everything's from Amazon. This one only cost me $37 and it goes up to 450 degrees. I think I had it on 440 at first, and I think my hand slipped and it went to 450. But see how like straight the hair gets like automatically? It does not take much work. This is a lot of hair, I'm telling you guys. So if you get tired fast, don't even bother to straighten it. You could probably blow dry it and be okay. But yeah, I went through the whole head, straightened it out. The little smoke you see is from the heat protectant that I put on, obviously. So yeah, that's what I did there, and I'm showing you how flowy the hair is and how straight it became. I love the texture of it. This reminds me of like how my natural hair would be if I never got perms and everything like that, lengthwise and everything. So yeah, I do love it. I also left a little bit of a texture behind so that the hair could still have its thickness. I didn't want it to be like bone straight or whatever. Kinda, sorta, but not really. When I do wear this hair, I'm definitely going to put the not flat iron, I'm gonna run the hot comb through it or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through the hair, straighten it, and watch and learn. I don't know what those little white things was, but yeah, those was a little bit annoying to me. It did have a few little like blondie gray strands in there too as well, and I didn't get much shedding at all. On my floor was maybe about 6 to 10 strands out of all the hair basically, and that was pretty much it. Yeah, all you need is a good flat iron and you're good to go when it comes to this type of hair. They really did not disappoint me. Yvonne kinky straight hair is my favorite one out of all of them, but this might be in the top spot as well. They might tie for the top spots, definitely, for sure. So yeah, look at the flow, look at the shine. There's nothing to it. This is a really good like natural look. If you want to give your hair a break from sew-ins and wigs and all that type of stuff, this is a quick throw on and go type of situation if you was not to straighten it. So yeah, just watch and see what I'm gonna do, and I'll come back to you guys when I start talking again. Bye. Alright, so this is before and after. So this is the after, nice and flowy. I did leave a little bit of texture in there, as you see towards the top. It still has a good amount of like flowiness to it. You saw it didn't take me long to straighten it. So this is the half and half comparison right here. As you guys can see, this is the kinky straight part, this is the straight part, and yeah, this is how we're looking. You see the flow of this hair. Sunber never ever disappoints me. I've never had bad hair from them, and this is the honest truth, like no cap. This is the first time I had kinky straight hair from them. I had some from Yvonne hair, which was my favorite AliExpress hair vendor of all time. But yeah, I'm gonna go in here and straighten this part of the hair, leave a little bit of texture like I did on this side. I wanted to blend up my natural hair really well. Here's the texture up close, just so you guys can see. It's a really pretty texture that they did. Obviously the hair is processed to get it to be like this, but it straightens really well. Still has like a lot of texture, a lot of you know, volume basically. I love that about that. So yeah, I'm gonna continue straightening. All right, so that's how we're looking. I don't want to show you my messy room, but yeah, that's the hair. Flip y'all around. I got a little bit lazy when it came to this side. As you guys can see, it's not as straight as this side, but I could do that when it's on my head. But yeah, This is the hair, super flowy and nice. I left a little bit of texture because I still wanted to have that volume in it, like I said earlier. So yeah, let's get this on my head and see how it looks. All right, so it's on. This wig basically has clips. So if you ever did clip ends or whatever, it's the same type of clips as that. So yeah, it looks a little crooked right now, but obviously I'm gonna fix it. So you would have to definitely do the perimeter braid around here because it needs to clip onto something to be secure, because there's only one clip in the back and then there's adjustable straps. So you definitely want this to feel real secure on your head. It's not going nowhere at the moment, but I would definitely want it to be a little bit more, you know, tighter. So yeah, I would definitely have to do some braids, but I didn't do that at the moment. But yeah, I did get lazy, like I said, on the one side, as you guys can see. So now I'm gonna try to like blend my hair. My real hair is a mess right now, but we're gonna try to blend it. As you guys can see, my forehead is huge. But yeah, I had a lot of gel in my hair, so that's the issue. But yeah, for the most part, this is how it looks on me. This is the length. This is 18 inches. Yeah, so it comes all the way down. I got a new robe, so don't talk about my robes. I got a blue robe now. But anyway, yeah, that's how it's looking. You guys can cut the ends if you want, like the stragglies, but you see I did still keep a lot of the texture. It looks like still pretty thick. All right, so far this is how my hair looking. Obviously this is my leave out or whatever. It's always shorter or whatever because, you know, I, been heat damaging my hair for a long time, so that's why I stopped doing that. But yeah, you just have to make sure when you comb and leave enough leave out basically. If you don't, you have to go back and do it again, and you don't want to do that. So yeah, you see how my hair is thin right there, so I have to make sure that my track is always covered in the back, or else it's gonna defeat the purpose of this looking like type natural or whatever. But I'll get it together, don't worry. And don't mind any white stuff in my hair, that's gel. Basically, I've been putting too much Eco Styler in there. But yeah, anyways, how it looks, I'm gonna straighten it and show you guys that process. So stay tuned. While we wait for the flat iron to heat up. This is not too far from my texture, as you guys can see, so I'll be easily able to blend this or whatever. But you guys can keep it in its kinky straight texture if you like, but I just wanted to see how it looks straightened because I really do love kinky straight hair flat ironed. Like, that's really like a look for me. But yeah, waiting for this to heat up, and I'm gonna show you in the next clip me straightening my hair. Hopefully everything blends, because like I said, my hair is a little bit thin right there, as you guys can see. So yeah, but you definitely have to secure this more than I did. Like I said, I never used the clip-in combs, only when I had clip-ins that one time or whatever. But if you want it to feel real secure, you're gonna have to do it the other way. So yeah, be right back. And if you see my track while I'm doing this, don't mind that, because at the end I'll blend it all together. But right now we just trying to straighten the hair. I would say it's best to probably straighten your hair and the hair together. Yeah, my hair is like, it has a little bit of product in it or whatever, so definitely do this on like freshly washed hair. This part of my hair is bugging right now and it don't want to do what it needs to do. It don't have to be freshly washed, but just try to make sure it's not that much product. I know a lot of people don't like to straighten their leave out, so you do that, the way that you know how. If you want to stretch it or anything like that, you do what you know. I don't mind straightening my leave out because I don't do it very often, so it's not really that big of a deal to me. Even though I am trying to keep my hair healthy and stuff like that, my natural hair, that's why I always do hair extensions and braids and everything like that, because I'm trying to get my leave out to grow as far as my hair is, which you guys seen my hair in the other video. I know it's a little like poofy or whatever, but I could even go like this, and it kind of looks like my real hair. a lot of hair. See that? You see that? You see that? Can I get on this side too? Oh, look at my forehead. Let me stop. But no. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is probably go over this a little bit more with the flat iron. And then I might come back when I'm doing my baby hairs, but you know, them baby hairs be just giving me a run for my baby hairs. And I'm gonna come back to you guys. My hair blends pretty well. It's just that my hair has product in it. And yeah. I know my leave out's gonna drive me nuts. But it's okay. For the most part, it's pretty seamless. I don't see like, it looks pretty much like my real hair. So that's a good thing. That's what we was going for. So yeah, stay tuned for the end results. See you soon. Alright, yeah, so hopefully you can't hear like all that noise outside, but this is the final look that I came up with. This is Sunber hair, once again, kinky straight, 18-inch U-part wig, as you guys can see. That's how we're looking. Hopefully you guys don't see a track or nothing. I think I did pretty well with that. Like I said, you don't have to put heat on your leave out if you don't want. You don't have to straighten the hair if you don't want. Got a full look, so yeah, that's how it looks. Like I said, I left a little bit, well, pretty much a lot of texture in the hair because I just wanted it to look like more natural. And this little bulkiness is from me not braiding down my hair, but this is the length of the hair and that's how it looks. I got lazy on one side, I forget which side it is, but yeah, for the most part it looks really good, very natural. If you guys are like tired of like closures and things like that, because you know sometimes the closures don't look natural depending on who does them, and then you get self-conscious. But it's like this is just like having a sew-in without all the work, and you can just do it yourself. I really like the hair. Like I said, Sunber never ever disappoints me. Yeah, I can do my leave out better than this, obviously. I did a tiny little baby hair right there, tucked this behind my ear, and yeah, that's about it. And the hair blends with my hair color really good. I wouldn't say this is a black, I would say it's like a deep dark brown because I did dye my hair dark brown. That's how we're looking. Hopefully you guys like the install, and I barely did anything. This took me like 5 minutes to put on my head. Literally, it only took me a long time to straighten the hair because you saw how thick the hair was, and you can still see how thick the hair is and how much texture it got. It's higher towards the end, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this for sure. I love the volume. Yeah, I'm feeling this hair for sure. This is a definite go pick this up, especially for the winter. You guys are so crooked, I swear. Yeah, especially, you still crooked, but it's all right. Especially for the winter, this hair will keep you warm, I'm telling you. So yeah, I've been waiting to get another good kinky straight hair. I'm going like this for like mad times and nothing's coming out. I'm telling you, Sunber is where it's at. Like, I had a whole sew-in for quarantine with Sunber hair and it held me down. So yeah, that's how it looked. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna put the hair link down below if you guys want to get it. This is a U-part wig once again, 18 inches kinky straight Sunber hair. So thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.